Hey, Kathleen here. I am reviewing this Fisher-Price toddler chair. We've had it about 3 years. My granddaughter's almost 4. She is in this every time she comes, which is every week. I kept it in this on this chair, my old chair, because my current chairs have fabric, and I did not want her sitting on the fabric chairs. And this straps around so nicely, and then underneath, really super secure. She's not going anywhere. The tray normally probably doesn't fit on most chairs like that, but for me, fits nicely on this chair. And now she can actually put the tray on herself and snap it down. She cannot get herself out, but she can snap it down herself, and she wants to. I have not removed the back here. I know it says when you have a toddler, you can remove the back. I hadn't really thought about that, so I might do that. But, we obviously used the straps when she was younger. We don't use them now. I still think having it secured to the chair is smart. And when we started, we did have this adjustment a little different. So it's got 3 adjustments, 3, 2, 1. Because she's got her feet here, we can't lower it. It's not the right kind of chair for us to lower it. So we've had to keep it high the whole time, and it's worked out fine. So it does slide right in. I guess it's going to depend on your chair, but it slides nicely in so she doesn't have to use the tray. But if she, I don't know, depends on what she's eating, or if she wants to face the television occasionally, I'll let her, swing around and use the tray. But we can manage it both ways now. So it's really super, super convenient. We absolutely love it. I know you can take it with you, but typically we don't, because my daughter takes hers with her if we go somewhere together. But I know it can collapse and fold, and it carries, and it's just a fabulous. This has been around since my kids were kids, so it's just a great design, and it's time tested.